Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Sticks and Stones Woodcarving. Welcome. Just a quick, short, and sweet little video, mainly to the subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel and you would like to subscribe, please click the subscribe button if you like this video or our other videos on the channel. And make sure you click the little bell icon too, so that way when we put out a new video, which we're starting to do each and every week now, pretty regular, you'll be notified and you can keep up with what's going on the channel. Okay, but this video is going to be short and sweet, like I said, and it's mainly directed towards the subscribers, people that have already been coming to the channel for a while. What I'd like to do is have you guys actually start commenting and telling me how to improve the channel. All right, this video is all about, me getting information about you, what you want to see, what type of content you want on the channel. Okay, do you want more carving videos? We're definitely going to be doing those all the time, especially when spring comes. But what type of videos would you like? Would you like to see more tool videos, more how to use the tools? We get a lot of beginners in this channel all the time, and we have a lot of people that have been here for quite a while. All right, so if you're a long-time subscriber, you can always say, "Hey Kev, long-time subscriber here. I'd like to see this on the channel. You haven't covered this yet." That's great. I'll look at that comment and I'll make a video about something, especially if you suggest something. All right. If you're new, you can always say, "Hey, new subscriber here, still confused about this. Could you cover it again?" That would be great also. Okay. If you'd like to see different types of things, like maybe some DIY stuff, do-it-yourself projects with a little carving twist we could put in, any kind of ideas that's going to help the channel grow and improve, that's what I'm looking for. Because let's face it, guys, this channel is all about the subscribers and the people that come and frequent it often, not me just going out there carving something and just because that's what I want to do. Okay, I like to do videos that are actually informative and actually help my subscribers and help you guys, and we can grow a big community here and everybody learn. But I want to give you guys quality information and hopefully some stuff that will improve your carving or teach you to carve if you never learned how to carve, or at least give you some insight even if you are a carver, but some type of quality and some type of information that's at least keeping you coming back to the channel. And you guys can help me improve it by putting those comments down below, good or bad, whatever it is. I worked a lot last year. This year I'm going to take the time to just tape everything that I do. Okay, I always forget, I get so busy, that we actually have a YouTube channel, and very rarely I post too many things. Now I'm starting to post regular. I want to make videos bigger and better. I invested in a little bit of new software for my computer. I invested in some better cameras. I got a GoPro I'm going to be playing with lately. That's going to be fun. So I can do a lot more, and I'm learning a lot more about videos. I was never a big video producer, techie type of person, but I think I'm going to start really pushing it and get better quality videos for you guys and better information. All right, so the more that you can help me out with suggestions, if you have suggestions, that would be great. I really appreciate when you guys comment. I have a ball commenting back, but I really want to make sure that I'm actually giving you guys some kind of thing besides just me carving. I want to teach you how to carve. All right, that's what the channel was originally designed to do. So I want to make sure I'm doing my job, and if I'm not, I need your input. Okay, so as long as I can add that to your life or your experience, I'm happy, and the channel's doing its job. All right, so definitely give me comments. Let me know. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what we can improve upon, and we'll make video after video, and we'll start doing 2020 with a bang. All right. So thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments in the link below. There's no link, just in the comment section below or in the community tab, okay, on the channel here, and let me know what you want to see next on the channel. The more ideas the better. And I'm going to be redoing a lot of old videos for beginners, but they'll be brand new videos, how-to stuff. And let me know if you want to cover the tools and the cuts the tools make, other tools, more tool reviews, whatever you guys want. So definitely put it down in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.